Not, man. Not, man. Where are you from, man? Where are you from?
Brooklyn. Oh, shit.
Brooklyn niggas.
First of all, he was born in Yonkers. I'm his father. Don't let him tell you anything else.
It's another nigga. I can't. If you come over here and say you from ATL,
grimy Brooklyn niggas. These grimy Brooklyn niggas.
The Bronx, basically. Yonkers is the Bronx.
Nah, cut it out. Yonkers is Yonkers, man.
Y'all got bad hills. Y'all, that's I hate Yonkers. I've been Yonkers. You know I've been Yonkers. Y'all got bad hills.
You got the drop on you, nigga. You better watch your mouth.
I'm good wherever I go. When I go to Yonkers, niggas on the little dirty niggas out there come out there with the guns because you good out here. Y'all don't know these niggas. You good, my nigga. We got you. Anywhere I go. I was in the middle of Brooklyn, the projects, nigga.
You know I know about Yonkers. I know about the other side of Yonkers. Casino.
Raceway?
It's a raceway.
Yo,
Yonkers Raceway. I don't know why.
Ham, DNA, and Clips. They all have
I
problems.
had some good nights and some bad nights.
Had some good nights and some
I'd
bad
have been in
nights.
there waiting for the day to roll over to grab the money to get some new money at the ATM. It gets ugly in there. But I had some good nights.
Niggas got cooked and that shit. No.
I had some great nights in there. Perfect Day to Die coming soon. Let me plug that. Perfect Day to Die coming soon. Crazy, niggas.
John Donald.
Definitely get on there, nigga.
Whoever, tell him, Con. Tell him
yeah,
we need to dine on there. Tell him.
yeah, my boy got it.
Y'all know how it works. Nigga gotta just show up.
Like I don't do this.
They gotta just show
shit,
up. I do this every day. All you gotta do is show up to this spot. And I got you. We're gonna throw the beats on.